Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to do a hard reset with buttons on recovery mode on INFINIX Note 60. First, if your phone is open, then first what we need to do is to power it off. And probably your phone is already powered off. That's why you need to hard reset it via the recovery mode. Remember that if you do this, then every memory, all your photos, videos, contacts, everything on your phone will be wiped out. So make sure that you're only using these options when none other options have worked. Now, click and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. And now, when the INFINIX logo light up, let go of the power button but still hold the volume up button. It takes a little time. Okay, I just needed to do it one more time. And now we're in the recovery mode. So with the power up and down buttons, you go right here with the options and you select with the power button. So we need to find the wipe data / factory reset and then select it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.